Good evening, parents and guardians, and welcome to our 2020 Digital Curriculum Night. My name is Sarah Torbert, and I'm so glad that you're here tonight to learn more about 9th grade ELA at Alpharetta High School. First and foremost, I would like to introduce myself. I was born in Macon, Georgia, and grew up in Winder, Georgia. I earned my Bachelor in Science and English education from the University of Georgia. Then I earned my Master of Education degree from Kennesaw State University. I'm also gifted certified. I'm entering my 12th year teaching ELA. I recently transferred to Alpharetta High School from Creekview High School in Canton, Georgia. I personally believe in creating an empathetic, safe, and welcoming classroom where student voice is heard. I also believe in the importance of understanding the world from multiple perspectives. My management style revolves around the theme of respect. Students respect each other and are encouraged to consider, again, different perspectives. I have high expectations of both my students and myself, and I work to differentiate my classroom instruction in order to motivate and challenge my students. I know that students will be most successful with the support and collaboration of parents, administrators, teachers, and peers, and I feel very fortunate to be able to watch my students grow and into the people that they are meant to become. Please do not hesitate to email me with any questions or concerns, as well as celebrations. I look forward to working with you this year. Go Raiders! This year, we will learn about formatting our essays in MLA style, a style students will use for ELA courses all the way through college. We will learn about the rules for writing academic essays. Students will learn how to construct their body paragraphs in a claim, evidence, analysis format. In an effort to answer a prompt, students will make a claim. They'll support it with textual evidence, and they'll work to explain how the evidence they found supports the claim. We will also write in a variety of modes, including argumentative, persuasive, expository, and narrative. We just finished our first narrative. We will take some of these essays through the entire writing process over the course of multiple class periods. And for other essays, students will be required to draft within a specific time frame. Finally, we will participate in our annual Rotary sponsored Laws of Life memoir competition, which will enable students to tell their own personal stories and will give them an opportunity to earn scholarship prizes. In addition to writing, we will also read a variety of texts, from poetry to short stories to nonfiction articles and novels. Students will not be required to purchase books this year, as texts we will be made available online. And I'm excited to begin reading Romeo and Juliet with students in the weeks to come and introducing them to the world of Shakespeare. Students will also have multiple research opportunities, which will require them to validate their sources, embed proper source citation and evidence, and also create a works cited page. Like reading and writing, grammar and vocabulary are key to our course. Students will learn a variety of grammatical concepts aligned with our 9th grade scope and sequence, and students will hone their vocabulary skills with the Prestwick House Vocabulary Power Plus program, and we look forward to seeing them use those words in their writing. Our course website is a valuable communication tool. Each day I work to update our course calendar so that students can see our daily agenda. I have a course calendar for both honors and on-level courses, and I encourage you to bookmark this calendar so that you can keep aware of the daily lesson plans and assignments. My website also includes other important pieces of information that you may find useful, such as contact information and schedule, my bio, and our course syllabus. Thank you so much for attending our 2020 Digital Curriculum Night, and thank you for being willing to partner with me in your child's education. I'm so grateful to work in such a supportive community and to call Alpharetta High School my new home. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any additional questions, and I'm looking forward to a fantastic year of learning. Go Raiders!